Hello there everyone, here is a Monte Carlo ceiling fan with blades. I got it from a ceiling fan. I just put the blades on today. So, I believe this is low. Yeah, this is low. It's a great fan. Surprisingly. Yeah, it's got big blades now. So that's low. Medium. This is medium. Here's high. This is max. I'm gonna try to turn it off and then turn it back on. I already see how fast this thing is at first when you turn it on. Alright, here we go. This fan used to have 5 smaller blades, but I have decided to replace them with bigger blades. I'm gonna keep it on medium now. Whoops. So, yeah.